chorizo, and Italian sausage. Today, on Grandma Bessie's house, we are cooking soup in celebration of our snow day in Southeast Louisiana. We are making a warm and hearty country sausage soup. The recipe and its ingredients are in the video's description. Remove chorizo sausage from casing. Over medium heat, spray a large pot with nonstick spray and coat it with olive oil. Add chorizo sausage. Crumble sausage by mashing it with a potato masher. Cook 5 minutes. Take a moment to like and share this comfort food recipe. Check out our channel for other soup recipes. If you like what you see, subscribe below. This small act helps our channel grow. Remove Italian sausage from casing. Roll into meatballs. Add Italian sausage to the pot. Combine with chorizo while scraping the bottom of the pot. Roughly chop onion. Add onions to the pot. Combine and cook 5 minutes. Crush and roughly chop garlic. Stir garlic into the pot. Cook 1 minute. Pour in diced tomatoes and tomato paste. Combine. Pour in chicken broth. Whisk while scraping the bottom of the pot. Mince rosemary and gather thyme leaves. Add fresh spices to the pot. Add dried spices too. Fully combine. Boil and reduce to simmer. What is your favorite cold weather soup? Leave your response in the comments below the video. Drain and rinse chickpeas. Pour chickpeas into the pot. Combine. Cover and cook 10 minutes. While chickpeas cook, drain and rinse cannellini beans. Add beans to the pot. Combine. Cover and cook 10 minutes. Add frozen green beans. Stir and cook until heated through 5 to 10 minutes. If you have enjoyed this warm soup recipe, like and share it. Also, subscribe and click on notifications so you know when we release new recipes. Stir soup one final time, remove from heat, and serve. Don't forget to garnish with fresh rosemary. Thank you for watching another episode of Grandma Bessie's House.